Ever wondered how doctors spot tiny details in MRI scans? Noise like static hides critical info, but AI is stepping in. A study tested 3 deep learning models, CNN-DAE, CADTra, and DCMIEDNet. They trained on MRI datasets, adding synthetic noise to mimic real-world chaos. Results: DCMIEDNet crushed low-noise cases, 32.9 dB PSNR, while CADTra dominated high-noise scenarios, 27.7 dB. All outperformed old methods by 5.8 dB, like upgrading from VHS to HD. But here's the catch: real MRIs have Rician noise, not just Gaussian. This shows AI's potential, but challenges remain. The takeaway: deep learning is a game changer for medical imaging, but no one-size-fits-all solution yet. Stay curious and let's keep pushing the tech.